This is LEPOWER clip-on light shark bite cone head. 2% through 1% brightness dimmable. Let's open up the box, show you what's inside. An instruction manual that you go over to learn about your product. The controls of the unit, USB-A, plugs into a power source, nicely wrapped and protected. It is a cable that is metal, clips on to a desk, a nightstand, a table, bedside, and adjustable any way you want. The length of the cord is about 6 feet. It's a CR93 anti-flicker light. RGO standard, no blue light, and it's easy on the eye. This is the on switch. Pressing it off, it dims and shuts down. You don't have to turn it on, but you can hit the night light button, which is the top button. The light will turn on to a certain degree. We have a 20, a 40, and a 60-minute timer. We have 5 temperature kelvins and a steepless brightness control from 6 lumens to 300 lumens. These are the 5 brightness levels. Low increases 5 times. This is the mode button, the one above. As you can see, the different kelvins. We'll show you some scenarios with the light and low level. I'm over here by the printer, and I am increasing 2, 3, 4, 5, and want to change my Kelvin. If I want to put it on night light, you can see the difference. So this way it gives you an idea what everything looks like. It brightens up the area so I could see my printer. I'm in a dark room and I want to brighten up the area. I just want to show you the brightness of the unit. Put to the side of your bed so you could do some reading and pick the lights you want and adjust the level light you want and the timer you want. And if you don't want to disturb your guests, you put it on to the night light. It has a strong clamp, a cushion so it could protect your area and grip. It's flexible, it bends any way you want, and does a good job in lighting up the area. I hope you enjoy your clip-on light of LEPOWER.